I'm going to show you how to do full market research and analysis using AI. Whether you have a business in the area or you're thinking about starting a business in this location, you'll have access to comprehensive census data, including demographics around your physical store or point of interest. This will include things like specific age groups, household types, and income levels. Click the link in the description to start using Zipscore.ai today. Zipscore provides comprehensive census data for zip codes and various geographic levels. You can enter in your prompt here and it'll give you some data about the zip code. But I'm going to show you how to do this even better. Go to the map and select your location. Click select area and it'll give you a nice printout of all the demographics in your area. How many residents there, gender breakdown, household living arrangement, number of persons in the household, housing unit structures, housing unit structure types, household income, which would be the most important data point to use as a business owner, and age distribution. Both of these are really important to know, and it's good to see a breakdown of these written and in graphs. Education level is also in this data. It breaks down the schooling level of the average person living in that zip code. It also breaks down the employment by industry sector. And this is from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. So it's good to have this information as well. This could help with targeting advertising and knowing the breakdown of people that live in the chosen area. It also breaks down ethnicity. So this is all good data to have. You can also search by zip code and it'll give you a breakdown of that zip code. So you could just enter in the zip code for your local business and get all of the same data that we just seen. Good way to go about doing research is to click for the state, and then you can look at the most populated cities in the state, which is a good thing to know, and the high household income cities of the state. So this would be a good place to start if you're looking for the best places to advertise for your business. You can also find the youngest population cities by zip code, the oldest population city, and then here's a breakdown of every city in Colorado, along with the population and the number of households. You can download this as an Excel file or a CSV. So I clicked on Monument, which has the highest household incomes in Colorado, and it gives me this breakdown of information showing that 43% of the households in Monument are above 150,000. Then here's a breakdown by chart. It also shows that 21% are above 100,000. And then here's the age breakdown showing that most people that live there are between 40 and 64. So this would be all good information to have if I was looking at targeting my next local SEO or paid campaign. You can also drop a pin in your location on the map and select a radius around it. This will give you the demographic data for that area around your business. I thought this was a really impressive feature. You can also make the radius larger or smaller. So this is good to know about the area that's immediately surrounding your business. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the pros and cons of Zipscore.ai and my overall rating. Here's the pros. Zipscore gives you very thorough and useful market research for any location. The information is better organized than something like city data, making it more actionable for SEO and paid campaigns, especially since it integrates with Google Ads and Facebook ads. pulling up the demographics for a set radius around your location was pretty impressive. This is always good data to have on hand. Here's the cons. The software can be a little clunky at times. There were a few times when I had trouble moving the icon and changing the size of the radius circle. Overall, this is a great software to use for local service businesses who want to improve their local SEO and paid campaigns. This is also great for anyone looking for market research and looking for market analysis of a specific area. Click the link in the description to try out Zipscore for free today. Check out these other videos for more cutting-edge AI software you should be using.